What is up, accurate traders? This is Munya, and welcome back again to my trading channel. Now, it's been long since I posted a strategy right here on this platform, but today I'm back with the most accurate V75 strategy. In fact, this is the most accurate volatility indices strategy that you can have, and I'm going to share with you guys today. I'm going to show you guys how you're going to use it, the settings for this strategy, also the conditions that have to be met when you want to use this strategy. And also we're going to talk about we're going to do some live trading sessions together where you actually see how this strategy operates. Right now, we actually have an eminent entry that I want you guys to see. Some of you guys that are smart or that have been watching this channel for long already can see what entry I'm talking about. But today, I want to share with you guys this very powerful V75 strategy. I would like to categorize it as a V75 strategy because that's the index that I've been trading so much with the East strategy. So I want to share with you guys how it actually works in terms of your entry points, your exit points, how to manipulate it. And also we're going to try and look at other indices like V25, V10, V100 and see how it behaves on those indices as well. So I want you guys to watch this video up until the end so that you get the full sense of this strategy, so that you won't miss any of what I'm talking about. Okay, and if you want me guys, if you guys want me to drop this banger boom and crash strategy, make sure you like this video and comment in the comment section that I should drop this banger boom and crash strategy that is going to change your trading game. You can see that I didn't even lose any trade while I was using this strategy. So if you want it dropped, we actually so far we've made $120 out of it, and we've actually managed to withdraw it, showing you that it's a real account. So if you want me to drop it, make sure you click the like button. If we get to 100 likes, I'm going to drop this strategy for you. But today, let's talk about this V75 strategy. So the good part about this strategy is you'll be able, number one, to pick up entries quite early, right? Number two, you'll be able to scalp. And then I think I'll do a part 2 for this strategy where we'll be talking about swing trading with this strategy. Okay, so today we're going to mainly focus on scalping V75, and you don't even have to worry about it because, as you guys already know, V75 has got a very high pip value, which means the smallest pips that you are going to get, or the little pips that you're going to get, are going to be so rewarding because V75 has got a very high pip value. Okay, so let's jump into the settings. As you know, we'll do a step-by-step process of installing this strategy. I'll remove all the indicators that I have right here, and we will install this strategy together. Okay, so as you can see, we now have a blank chart. This is V75. We're going to be using our 5-minute time frame because we want to get in early. We want to catch the scalps quite early, like I said. Okay, so the first indicator that we want to install is going to be a moving average, and it is going to go to our main chart. So this is the first indicator. It's going to have a period of 8, so I'm going to change to 8. The shift will remain as 0. The method will be exponential. Apply to close. There's no need for any levels. And then the time frame should appear on all time frame. Like I said, we're going to do the 5-minute part, and we're going to do the higher time frame part. Okay, I'll change the color to blue for this one, and then I'll click on done. And as you can see, we'll have something like a blue line running across our charts. The next indicator that we want to install is going to form part of our indicator window 1. So I'm going to go to indicators, then we're going to look for the MACD. Now this MACD is going to have the properties that you see on my screen: the fast EMA of 20, a slow EMA of 26, a MACD SMA of 8, and then apply it to close. Then there's no need for any levels for this one. And then the time frame, of course, all time frames. And then the styling, the main should be blue, and the signal can have that red color that you see right there. Okay, so these are the final properties for MACD. And then if you click done, we should have MACD right there running across our charts, which is great. Okay, last but not least, we're going to add another indicator to our indicator window 1. So I'm going to click on indicator window 1. Then we're going to add the moving average. but this time it will have a period of 13. The shift will remain in 0. The method will change to linear weighted. If you don't know how these indicators work, or if you're confused, or if you don't understand why we're using these settings, I've posted a lot of videos on our first channel, so you can just check on that channel, and you'll be able to learn and understand in depth on this. Here we just want to try and focus on live trading and getting into the trades and understanding how exactly it works. So these minor background information, you can get it on our first channel if you want all that. Okay. Apply to close. The levels they're not necessary, and then the time frame, of course, all time frames. I'll change this color to yellow. Please try and follow the same colors that I'm using so that you don't get confused as we go, because I'll be referring to these colors while it's explaining this video. Okay, so you can click done, and you will see that we now have our full strategy installed. All right, now obviously what's left is for you guys. You want to know when to buy, you want to know when to sell, you want to know how does this beat the market maker. Okay, it's very simple. But before we get into all that, please make sure you click that subscribe button. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers, which is a big milestone for us. Of course, we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to give out our services. We're going to give out money. We're going to fund you guys for just reaching 10,000 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe, you turn the notification bell on so that you'll be notified whenever I post. Probably the people that have won accounts or money or services like mentorship and signals, you can easily know that you have won, right? So make sure you have turned on your notification bell so that I'll notify you. Okay. Talking about promotions right now, if you subscribe, if you like this video, and if you comment down below what you have learned during this video, you're actually going to get 30 days of free signals, right? You get boom and crash signals for 30 days for free. You get these entries. You'll be able to have an opportunity to trade with me like this and grow your accounts probably from the $100 up to the 220 that we are at right now, and make some profits, all for free, just by subscribing, liking this video, and commenting down below what you've learned during this video. And you can send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number showing that you have subscribed, showing that you have liked and commented, and I'll add you to our VIP signals group for free, right? I'll leave the link to my number in the description box below. It's in our Telegram channel. You'll also be able to see my results, my students' results, our results from our account management program. Yes, we do have an account management program where we trade for you on your behalf, and then we share the profits only. So if you want to see all that, you'll be able to find that in our Telegram channel. That's where we post all those things, right? Nonetheless, let's talk about this strategy. How are you going to make money with this strategy? Number one, I want you guys to pay close attention. We're going to be using the 5-minute time frame, okay? Number two, we're going to be using the third smallest zoom level. So this is the smallest zoom level. You're going to move 1, 2. So this is the third zoom level that you're going to be using, right? This is the third zoom level that you're going to be using. And number 3 is you want to have your chart or your candlesticks so close to this boundary, right? You don't want a situation like having your charts here or here or here. You should have your charts close here, close to the boundary like that, and that's how you get entries, right? So now that we have clarified on these small technicalities, let's talk about the actual conditions that you need for you to enter a trade. Of course, you're going to need crossovers. Your red line has to cross with your yellow line right there on your indicator window 1. And if they cross while it's at the bottom right there, or while it's below this 0 mark, then we're looking for buying opportunities, right? How then do you get the full buy opportunities? You then get them from your main chart. Your main chart is then going to tell you your entry point. Your entry point will come from if your candlesticks cross to be above that blue line, then you just know that your buy entry has been confirmed. There's been change of market structure, okay? Because all this while we had candlesticks below our blue line, indicating that we are selling. So the moment you see candlesticks breaking to be above this blue line. That means there's been a break of this market structure of a sell, and you're going to look for buying opportunities. And this is going to also help you get into that, and then you simply buy, right? And of course, your targets is to apply price action, guys. We're obviously going to start looking at your previous highs, your previous lows. That's where usually price will bounce. So areas like this, you have to just highlight them so that you actually see potential areas of where price can bounce and or can break and continue in an uptrend. So here we're either going to go and bounce here, or we're going to break out and keep going. So we have completely left the previous market structure. Okay, the same thing is true if you want to sell. You're obviously going to look for the cross and also price breaking market structure, crossing to be below, candlesticks are below, and of course you get your sell trade. Right, remember you're scalping, so you want to be in and out of the market as quickly as possible. As you can see, guys, it kept on repeating the same cycles. For V75, I think we already have an entry right here. You guys can see. We already have an entry right here. You guys can see. Okay. Can you see this entry? So what we're left with is just making money out of this, right? Let's take a look maybe at another index just for clarity. So you can see right here we've got V25 still respecting each and every time. We've got a cross, and we've got market strike price breaking to be below our blue line. We've got your nice sell and you'd have sold. So remember, you're scalping. Remember to mark your areas of support and resistance. If you want to learn about this in depth, of course I can't teach everything right here. You can join my mentorship program. It's very cheap, very affordable, considering the amount of information and gain that you have. You'll be able to trade like me. You'll be able to make these kind of profits. So if you're interested in that as well, feel free to contact me. Like I said, my WhatsApp number will be in our Telegram channel with the link in the description box below. Okay, this is to help you avoid scammers that will post their numbers in the comment section and all that. You just find my number from our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description box, not in the comment section. Okay, with that said, until next time.